Hello, and welcome to the Global Partner Program for Developers. I'm Bastia, from the Product Evangelist team here at Fectiv. Today, we're taking a quick look at one of the most important roles inside our entire ecosystem, maintenance. Maintenance is the part of the journey that begins after a customer's website has been built, launched, and handed over. It's where stability, security, and long-term trust are created. When customers choose Fectiv, they're choosing more than a website. They're choosing confidence that their digital world will keep running smoothly. And you, as a Fectiv Partner developer, are the person who makes that possible. Inside the Global Partner Program, you'll receive modular maintenance work files. Each work file is a single, focused task sent to you by our virtual assistant team so communication stays fast, clear, and organized. As a developer in maintenance, you support two key areas: website and email. Some tasks are simple, some require deeper expertise, but all of them matter. Every update you complete, every issue you resolve, every fix you apply, keeps a customer's business online, keeps their brand protected, and strengthens the reliability of the entire Fectiv platform. You're not doing this alone. Virtual assistants handle communication and customer updates. You handle the technical work, and together you create a seamless experience that feels effortless for the customer. This session is just the introduction. In the developer portal, you'll explore each work file in detail and see exactly how maintenance tasks flow through the system. To access the portal, simply click the link in the description. For now, welcome to the Global Partner Program. We're excited to have you here, and we look forward to the impact you'll make for our customers and their businesses. Take care and enjoy the journey ahead.